In the busy city of Ahmedabad, there's a place that gives hope and change, ITI Saraspur. This ITI has helped many young people, giving them the skills and knowledge they need to do well in their jobs. One such person is Kantharia Raj Dinesh Bhai, whose story is a great example of how trade learning can turn lives around. Raj's story is one of hard times, but also of success. His story shows the power of never giving up, learning skill, and the life-changing education given by ITI Saraspur. Even when facing big money problems and health issues, Raj's strong will to make his life better led him to ITI Saraspur. This choice changed his life, setting him on a path towards success.
उसके बाद मम्मी ने रेफरेंस दिया मेरे को का ITI में TWR का कोर्स ले लो। मैंने वो TWR का कोर्स ले लिया।
ITI Saraspur offers a wide range of courses that are designed to meet the requirements of various industries. Some of the courses offered include Computer Operator and Programming Assistant (COPA) or COPA, Desktop Publishing Operator, Dressmaking, Electrician Electronics Mechanics, Fashion Design Technology, Fitter, Health Sanitary Inspector, Information and Communication Technology System, Maintenance, Mechanic Motor Vehicle (MMV), Painter General, Plumber, Sewing Technology, Tool and Die Maker, which is consist of press tools, jigs and fixture, turner, welder, wireman, etc. These courses are job-oriented and are suitable for both government and private jobs. The institute has a dedicated placement cell that supports students in making the right career choices. Placement Cell is committed to providing the best opportunities to its students and works tirelessly to ensure that students are well prepared for their future careers. The teaching faculty at ITI Saraspur is highly qualified and dedicated to providing the best education to its students. Overall, ITI Saraspur is committed to providing a comprehensive educational experience. It aims to empower its students and equip them with the skills needed to succeed in their chosen careers. At ITI Saraspur, Raj was introduced to the world of fixing two-wheelers. This was a job that he had not thought about before, but soon found himself really interested in. The hands-on experience and practical knowledge offered by the program and mentors sparked a love within him. He was not just learning a job, but also finding a career path that he could be passionate about. ITI Saraspur was a place for Raj to learn and grow. It was here that he improved his skills, changing from a beginner into a skilled technician. The expertise he gained at ITI Saraspur gave him the knowledge and skills needed to do well in his chosen job.
ITI में एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था। इंजन भी खोले हम लोगों ने, फिर बहुत कुछ समझाया। रोज अलग अलग चीज़ें बातें समझाते थे हमको। इसमें हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला हमको। बाहर की वस्तु सीखने मिली, अंदर की TWR की भी सब सीखने मिला हमको।
Today, Raj is a respected worker at Royal Enfield. His work involves using the book knowledge he gained at ITI Saraspur combined with the practical skills he developed through hands-on experience. His skill in fixing two-wheelers shows the valuable skills he learned during his time at ITI Saraspur. But Raj's dream don't stop at being a worker. He dreams of starting his own Royal Enfield sales and service station. This dream is driven by his experiences and his desire to start a business. Raj sees a future where he not only does well in his job but also becomes an inspiration for others.
रॉयल एनफील्ड में जॉब करता हूँ एज ए टेक्नीशियन। अभी मैं टेक्नीशियन हूँ, भी आगे जाके मेरे को प्रमोशन भी चाहिए और आगे खुद का गैरेज का शोरूम फाइनेंशियल भी खुद आगे चाहिए। ग्रोथ चाहिए।
ITI Saraspur is more than just an ITI. It's a place for those who dare to dream. It offers endless chances for those who follow their love. In Raj's words, do what you truly love. Only then can anyone be successful.
तो जिस कोर्स भी आप ले रहे हो उस कोर्स में आपका मन लगना चाहिए, सब कुछ होना चाहिए। आपका मन नहीं होगा तो आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे उस कोर्स में। उस लाइन में कोई आपको फील्ड में घुस जाओगे पर आपको इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं होगा, इंटरेस्ट नहीं होगा तो आपको काम करने की इच्छा ही नहीं होगी, आप सीख भी नहीं पाओगे, कुछ नहीं, आपका टाइम वेस्ट होगा। और टाइम इज़ मनी।
Join ITI Saraspur and start a journey of change. Spark your love, learn your skills, and make your way in the world of trades. Like Raj, you too can beat the odds and make a difference. Your success story starts here at ITI Saraspur. Let ITI Saraspur be the stepping stone to your success, just like it was for Kantharia Raj Dinesh Bhai. Take the chance to learn, grow, and succeed. Your future starts now. Your future starts at ITI Saraspur.